Here's how to install the SONOS ONE Corner Mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 raw plugs, 2 wall screws, 2 screw caps, and 1 corner mount. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now, let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then, mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 8mm drywall drill bit with 35mm drill depth marked by a tape. Then drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the raw plugs to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use 4mm wood drill bit with 45mm drill depth marked by a tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No raw plugs are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as support for the wall screws. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use an 8mm masonry drill bit with 35mm drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. And like with the drywall, we'll need to insert the raw plugs to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and speaker. First, wedge the power cable into our new and improved PWRLOK, which secures the speakers more tightly and securely than previous designs. Next, screw the wall mount in place using the provided wall screws. Then, cover the screws with the provided screw caps. Lastly, connect the speaker firmly to the PWRLOK and power cable. And you're done.